Welcome to the Synergyfx MetaTrader tutorial video series. In this video we are going to cover the terminal window in the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. The terminal window is located at the bottom of the MetaTrader 4 platform. And the purpose of the terminal window is to show you not only your trades but your account history, any trading alerts, a mailbox where you'll receive updates from Synergyfx, and any information about your expert advisors, along with a trading journal. First and foremost, you will see your live and open trades in the market, as well as any pending orders. Live orders show up above the gray bar, any pending orders show up below. So here you'll see the ticket number, the time the order was placed, if it's a buy or sell order, the size of the position, the symbol, which means the currency pair, the price at which you got in the market, any stop loss or take profit, the current market price, any commission or swap/rollover. You also have some options as far as some additional columns that you can add to this. If you right click in the terminal window, you have a comment box, which if you have any comments about the trade that you made, for example, traded euro dollar using XYZ strategy, you can put that in the comment box and it'll show up over here. In order to input that, you can see the comment field in your order window. And now we have testing 1, 2, which we just put in there. So this is helpful if you're looking to create a trading record and need to make some notes about why you made a trade. Also in the terminal window, you'll see the information, the financial information about the account. You'll see your balance, your equity, your margin, your free margin, and your margin level. You will see your balance, which is the total amount of money in your account, your equity, which is the total amount of money in your account plus or minus any floating profit and loss. So this is your unrealized profit and loss, and if you see, if we add your balance to that number, that's going to give us your equity. The margin is the amount of money that you're currently using in margin in order to keep these positions open. Your free margin is the amount of money you have left in order to open new positions. The margin level is calculated by taking your equity and then dividing that by your margin used, and this is going to give you that percentage. The closer this percentage gets to 100%, the closer you are to liquidation. You'll see in the account history tab, which is a representation of your previous trades. You can customize the time period that you can see in your account history: all history, last 3 months, last month, or custom period. You can save as report or save as detailed report. These will produce an HTML file so that you can see all your trades and print out your history if necessary. The alerts in MetaTrader 4 to set up price alerts. You right click in anywhere in the white space, go to create, and this is going to create your alert. Enable, make sure that it is live and active. Action, you have the option to either play a sound, execute a file, or send you an email. Symbol is the currency pair that you're going to create the alert for. Condition is the condition of the price, so either less than, greater than, less than ask, greater than ask, or a specific time. The value, so let's say we want to be alerted if the pound dollar drops below 159.50. So we're going to put in 159.50. less than bid. Source is the alert, so this is going to play the alert sound file. Timeout means is every time that it hits below that, it's going to play every 10 seconds. Maximum iterations is the amount of time that the alert is going to go off. So if you only want it to go off once or a few times, you're going to want to make sure that you select that, because if it's 1,000 and the price drops below 59.50, that alarm is going to keep going off. So we hit test, make sure it works, then we hit OK. So we'll see it populate down here. And counter means how many times that it's gone off. Once it hits the limit of 3, it will stop. If you need to edit it for whatever reason, simply right click on it. You can go to modify. You can delete it, or you can enable it, and by that means you can turn it on or turn it off. Mailbox is the mailbox that's set up in your MetaTrader account. When you can pay attention to your mailbox pretty regularly, any messages or promotions that Synergyfx has, they can send it out through the MetaTrader mailbox. Experts is anything that you've done with expert advisors. It keeps a log during this session, so anything that we've done with our expert advisors is represented here. Journal is your trading journal. This is a record of all the activity that you've done in your current session. So if you've opened any positions, closed any positions, modified any positions, all this stuff will show up here, and you'll get repetitive ticket numbers. It's really a good source of information if you need to look anything up in regards to your trading activity. Thank you very much for tuning in. This was the Synergyfx MetaTrader tutorial video series. For more information, please go to www.synergyfx.com.au.